This is a preparation video for the IB Business Management course. After the videos, please click www.intemas.com on the link at the bottom of this video to try out our assignments. Unit 5.1 The Role of Operations Management. Operations. These refer to the fundamental activities of organizations. What they do and what they deliver. How they produce the goods and services that meet consumers' needs and wants. Operations management. It is the art of managing production to get the best end product. Operations in all sectors of business. Primary sector, mining and harvesting. Secondary sector, industrial manufacturing. Tertiary sector, open heart surgery. Quaternary sector, business consultancy. Input-output model. A simple input-output model can represent how operations are the results of a transformational process. Operations and the other business functions. Functions of operations. Operations deliver the what question of an organization's objectives. Operations are done by people labor. Operations need funding and all financial aspects must be carefully budgeted and monitored. Operations produced goods and services that must be marketed, promoted and sold at the right price to the right audience. The relationship between operation and other business functions. The operations manager has direct experience of economies of scale or diseconomies of scale that may take place on the factory floor, or may help identify some of the strengths and weaknesses of the organization that other departments would not necessarily know about. The operations manager can suggest which forms of non-financial rewards, such as job rotation or teamwork, may be suitable, or not, for the organization. The operations manager may know which production costs, such as some semi-variable energy costs, could be cut, which would in turn have an impact on the break-even point and the organization's margin of safety. The operations manager can advise on which product extension strategies may be easily implemented or not. The marketing manager may be interesting ideas that would however result in diseconomies of scale. Production. It is usually defined as the creation of physical products, goods, or non-physical products, services. Range of goods and services. Goods. Mobile phone, smartphone. Consumer gets the product, but there may also be after-sales service, for example in cases of malfunction or when updates are needed. High physical content but with some services. Cosmetic surgery. Consumer gets the new nose, breasts or wrinkle-free face, but there is extensive treatment before and after the operation. High service content but with some physical products. Airline travel. Customers travel from A to B but they may have a meal and watch a film, all part of the experience that the airline offers. Services. Music concert. Assuming that consumers don't buy the t-shirt or the CD or even the sponsor's soft drink, they only play for the pleasure of the music. Operations management and sustainability. Factors that operations manager take into account. The factors that operations manager take into account, which is also called as the 3 pillars of sustainable development, are economic, social and ecological factors. Economic factors. Economic sustainability refers to the budget's revenues less cost of the company being balanced. Wastage must be kept to a minimum and, whenever possible, further savings should be made. This is usually measured in monetary terms, and the aim is to use available resources and raw materials to their best advantage. Social factors. Social sustainability refer to the fact that more and more organizations are becoming aware of their responsibility towards their workers as internal stakeholders, and towards local communities as external stakeholders. Ecological factors. Environmental or ecological sustainability refer to the fact that more and more managers understand the negative impact that their organization may have on the natural environment, especially different forms of pollution such as air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Practice assignments. Exam prep assignments for the IB Business Syllabus. 1. You may now proceed to try out the exam preparation assignments. 2. All assignments will be marked and feedback will be given. 3. Should you need to speak to one of our tutors, send your email to administration@intemas.com. 4. Please proceed to the link www.intemas.com at the bottom of this video to commence with your practice.
Please click subscribe to our video if you find the content useful. All the best with your assignments.